Why is it faster to restore applications from system tray than from the taskbar? Some applications don't actually exit when closing them. Instead, they keep on running the background. Applications known for this are Discord, Telegram Desktop, Steam. When in this state, trying to restore them by clicking the non-running icon on the taskbar often takes multiple seconds, but clicking on the small system tray icon restores them almost instantly. Why is this? The system tray.
When you click on the taskbar icon, the application first has to start and then checks if another process of the program is running. If so, it puts the process in the foreground and terminates itself. But when clicking on the small system tray icon, you already have an associated process, which will then get put in the foreground. No application or program tries to start in this case.
The icons in the system tray are usually not full copies of the application, unless the application was designed that way. They can just be very small programs written to monitor a local service or a remote cloud service status, with no UI except the small icon. Clicking on them then requires the computer to actually load and start the full program with the user UI and all the functionality. Minimized applications on the taskbar are full instances of the application.
Yeah.